This is the GDC Zip Blade, part of the new Gerber Daily Carry collection. With the GDC Zip Blade, you'll always have a cutting tool nearby. It features a lightweight, durable, fine-edge utility blade and includes a frame lock for safety. It can be attached to your jacket or your pack, and there's a clip for quick release. This is the GDC Zip Blade.
Meet TileMate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, TileMate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, TileMate is there to help you find them. Ring TileMate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on the map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. TileMate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get TileMate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile.